Bakit matibay ang prefab drywall unit? All starts with the structure, or what we call the light gauge steel frame. Ano nga ba ang light gauge steel frame? It is a construction method that uses thin, cold-form steel sheets to create structural components like walls, floors, and roof. So we have here the framing of a drywall unit, which consists of metal stud and metal track. The metal studs is used for the vertical support, while the metal track is used for the horizontal. And together, they form the light gauge steel frame.
Ano nga ba ang ginagamit sa prefab drywall unit? So we use fiber cement boards for ceiling, interior, and exterior walls. Made from cement, sand, and reinforced fibers, it is designed for durability in tropical climates. Unlike traditional hollow blocks, it reduces structural weight while maintaining exterior strength. It protects your home from rain, heat, and humidity. Modern materials for modern construction.
Mainit ba ang prefab? Not when built properly. We install roof insulation to reduce heat transfer. It is important especially in the Philippines climate. A house should not only be strong but also comfortable. In engineering, it is not all about the structure. It is all about sustainability. Want to know the difference? Visit our showroom.